20%. That's the sliver between global stability and total chaos. Right now, the Strait of Hormuz, the world's most vital oil artery, is effectively blocked. Crude just spiked 28% on market open. That's not Wall Street drama. That's your gas pump screaming tomorrow. Imagine filling your tank tomorrow morning and seeing $12 per gallon. Rural Ohio, urban Manhattan. It doesn't matter. Every corner of the economy feels the shock. But here's the insane part. Bitcoin is holding strong. Digital gold is being stress-tested like never before. Will crypto finally decouple from traditional risk assets, or are we staring at a 1929-style systemic collapse? I'll break down the Trump administration's $20 billion insurance gambit, the G7's desperate 60-day reserve countdown, and exactly what trades I'm making to survive this storm. If you have even a single dollar in the market, you cannot afford to miss this. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Preyo Promo. I'm your host, guiding you through what could be the most significant geopolitical shock of our lifetime. I've seen the 2020 crash, the 2021 mania, the 2022 wipeout, but this is brutal physics in action. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and smash like, because here we focus on hard math and macro truth, not clickbait. Let's get into it. Part 1. Strait of Hormuz. Brutal physics. Numbers don't lie. The Strait of Hormuz is losing 20 million barrels a day. For comparison, the Russia-Ukraine conflict impacted maybe 1-3 million. That's 7 to 10x larger. Doomers are shouting $200 oil, and it's not crazy. If tankers stay stuck, price discovery rockets. Market opened with a 28% spike. Even after corrections, the tension is like a coiled spring. Trump's team just announced a $20 billion reinsurance program via USDFC. Why? Big insurers like Lloyd's of London saw drones overhead and said, "Nope, we're out." Uncle Sam is now the insurer of last resort. Meanwhile, the USS Gerald Ford steams toward the strait. One misstep here, and we could plunge into a global depression. Imagine stock markets collapsing while gas stations run dry. It's not just numbers, it's reality. Part 2. G7 clock, 60 days to zero. The G7 is planning a 400 million barrel release. Massive? Sure, but here's the napkin math. 20 men barrels day loss. 400 mer barrels last 20 days. Total global reserves, 1.2 B barrels. 60 days of leverage. After 60 days, if the straits remain closed, oil spikes can't be suppressed. Demand destruction kicks in. Commuters can't afford gas, factories slow, S&P 500 tanks. This isn't energy. It's a systemic threat. Part 3. Bitcoin, the immovable object. Now pivot to Bitcoin. Why isn't it crashing? It's holding 64K despite VIX fear spikes. Historically, VIX 29, Bitcoin recovers in 6 to 12 months. Exceptions? 2018, late 2021. We're in seller exhaustion mode. Fractals suggest a possible 40% drawdown, but Michael Saylor's mantra hits hard. Bitcoin has no top because fiat has no bottom. With oil driving inflation sky high, a non-inflationary asset becomes the exit ramp for capital. I'm watching 20-day EMA like a hawk holds 64K, and we're loaded for a surge towards six figures once panic fades. Want to trade like a pro while chaos hits the markets? Join the Preyo Promo Inner Circle weekly deep dives, AI trading setups, exclusive alerts. Click the link now and get your 7-day free trial before spots fill up. Part 4. Portfolio restructuring. The pivot. I keep it 100. Selling my iron energy bags, a 6B dilution on 12B market cap, short-term disaster. Doubling down on MicroStrategy, MSTR, high beta BTC play. Marathon Digital, MARA, massive discount on BTC holdings, pivoting to AI data centers. Energy is expensive, efficient miners survive. It's survival of the fittest. Visual cue. Animated gains Josh loss scenario versus oil spike. Part 5. Inner circle and action plan. Navigating alone? Hard mode. Preyo Promo Inner Circle is your command center. Weekly altcoin deep dives, pro-grade trading setups, AI-powered token sniffer 7-day free trial. $50 month locked. Free $299 trading course included. Stop guessing with your life savings. We're entering a decade of sadness and pain for the unprepared. Not a doomer, just a realist. 20% of global energy at risk, inflation climbing. Stay frosty, track levels, and remember, fortune favors the prepared. I'll be tracking Gerald Ford's progress and ETF reactions all week. Subscribe so you don't miss updates. This is Preyo Promo. Peace.